Welcome to ClickMyProject.com. Our project title is End-to-End Development of the Educational AI Hub for the Personalized Learning and Enhancement, a case study on the environmental science education. Our project objectives in this study introduced to the end-to-end framework for the developing conversational AI-enabled educational assistance, focusing on the personal support for the student across device to the subject area, including to the business, culture, and environmental science, and the historical and then politics and science. As outlined in that our evaluation framework, the system leverages advanced conversational AI techniques to provide to the target course specific learning experience by the faculty across to the developed data and integrated to that with learning management system LMS like Canvas. The keyword informed to the retrieval accuracy and questions answer accuracy, and then we are selected to that evaluate to the system ability to retrieve to the relevant context, generate to the accurate response, and identifying to the unanswerable questions. And additionally, the educational AI hub agents utilize to the innovative and document parsing method. So these are the most enable adaptable academic support to the trailer to that individual learning needs and extended to the quantity of the field through to the code essential capabilities. These studies also to the employees to that improved of the accessibility and then user privacy model. The results showcase to the potential for the enhancing engagement and improving for that understanding for the environmental concept and then software tools, determining to the specification impact of the convolutional AI in educational setting and enable to the complex data interference. A case study presenting to that at அதான் அனகொண்டா நேவிகேட்டர் இன்ஸ்டால் பண்ணிட்டீங்கனாலே ஸ்பைடர் லான்ச் பண்ணிடலாங்க. அப்படிதான் போட்டுருக்கீங்களா இல்லை இதில் வந்து பைத்தான் போட்டிருக்கீங்களா? அனகொண்டா நேவிகேட்டர் போட்டு விடுங்க சார். அனகொண்டா நேவிகேட்டரில் போட்டிங்கன்னா ஸ்பைடர் இன்ஸ்டால் பண்ண முடியும். அவங்களுக்கும் அப்படி தானே போட்டீங்க? அது அனகொண்டா நேவிகேட்டர் தான். We have start with Anaconda Navigator and Spider tool launch with that data. So data based on that first we have collect the data for the student details information data. After to the register and login, and we have entered to the details, that is the knowledge level management. After to that we have find out to the recommendation for the ability of student process and progress tracking and customized learning path, and end to the logout process. Our project execution based on, so first is this the home page. So we have sign up to the data. So we have entered to this username CMP and password is CMP and confirm password and sign up. So it automatically log into the successfully. We can move on to the login. So this is a success means login. The CMP, welcome to the CMP. I have successfully logged in this page. It's a home page. Next page will be open. So new assessment material understanding, we have entered to the details, how much studying to material there, so in hours wise. So we have put the 28 hours, and then we have move on to the example video or reading practice. I need to the video, so method, and how to the confident about the field knowledge and our topic. So minimum 1 2. So what's the material changes if you need yes or no. So these are the understanding for the 2 and studying material time for the 8 hours and learning method as a video and confidence as 2 and challenges as yes. So the AA feedback, You are focusing on the more than basic concept. Keep practicing. So we have entered to the any machine learning platform is we enter. So the query is recommended for the machine learning. The data we are checking. So introduction of the machine learning is beginner. So you get to the similarity for the 8.4 percentage. So machine learning, data science, TensorFlow, computer vision, and then satellite information. So the data set means is the overall data that part. So if you need to that deep means you have enter. So it's showing to the deep learning models. Thank you.